Welcome back to Learn How to Earn. Today, we're diving into a topic that's all about taking action to secure your family's future. In this video, we'll be talking about term life insurance. If you're ready to protect your loved ones with the best rates and instant quotes, stay tuned. Imagine this: affordable term life insurance, instant term life insurance quotes, protecting your family's financial future. These are the keywords that will lead you to the peace of mind you've been looking for. Let's get straight to the point. Why should you choose term life insurance? Firstly, it's affordable. No need to empty your wallet. Secondly, it's your family's financial safety net if life takes an unexpected turn. Think debts, mortgages, education, and daily expenses, all covered. Now let's talk about how you can take action today. Search online using keywords like instant term life insurance quotes. It's quick, easy, and hassle-free. Compare rates instantly to find the perfect fit for your budget. Whether you're a parent, homeowner, or just want peace of mind, term life insurance is the answer. It's a commitment to your family's financial security. But wait, there's more. Listen to the stories of real people who found financial peace of mind through term life insurance. To sum it up, affordable term life insurance is your key to securing your family's future. Don't forget those keywords: affordable term life insurance and instant term life insurance quotes. If you're ready to take action, give your family the protection they deserve. Click the link in the description below to get your instant quote today. Don't wait. Your family's financial future is too important to delay. Thanks for tuning in today. Catch you in the next video. Until then, stay financially savvy and take care.